Elephanta cave in Mumbai.
มื้อนี้ไปเที่ยวถ้ำสร้างมื้อนี้
Got this fruits. Aniket, हमारा tour guide. हाँ, tour guide होगा. We are late right now. And this is the. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Juju Vlogs. So guys, today's vlog we are going to the famous Elephanta cave in Mumbai. So it's just 7 a.m. right now. Yeah, come in my vlog.
Hello
Yeah guys, we are going together.
มื้อนี้ไปเที่ยวถ้ำสร้างมื้อนี้
Yeah.
Today we go to travel and visit Elephant cave.
Yeah, Elephanta cave. So we are waiting for two other friends.
I will go outside for buy some food.
Guys, we are in the bus right now. Get today. See, look at them. So we are going by bus and then by train again.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, we will go together.
Oh, the view is getting good. It's kind of yeah. The video is.
तू भी दिखा था
Show.
इधर देख मारोगे इतना भी तुम्हें गाइस बहुत शर्माती है भाई पहली बार शर्मा रही है मैं देख रहा था वो अच्छी what the we're getting poha.
Let's go. Yeah.
शुक्रिया अंकल बहुत बिग ना अंकल that's all the money चोरी हो जाएगा पूरा situation in train be like masih lepas naman tayo na pedo look at here. Do that thing. Vaughn, do that thing. Brightness बहुत कम है ना मैंने बैटरी सेव करी So guys, we are about to reach now. बाल देखो मेरा So guys, we have reached the gateway of India. It's this side. We are still waiting for some other friends. Which my friends and we are buying some juice and glasses. See, look at them. Look at Spike waving at us. So guys, we got a ticket. Where you get a ticket from? It's $290 per person, and this includes like the return ticket. Nice bag. मैं भी खरीदूँ क्या? नहीं, इनका अच्छा नहीं है। कलेक्शन अच्छा नहीं है ना? See guys, I got this fruits for 30 rupees. So we're gonna share this and eat together. Guys, this is the gateway of India. I'm here for the third time, I guess. Maybe the fourth time. Nilima is here for the fourth time. Vaughn, have you been here before?
Yes, the second time.
This is second time. Okay. Oh, okay. Chalo.
Look at me, please. The camera.
Wow. The Taj Hotel is there.
Take the photo.
Guys, Aniket हमारा tour guide. हाँ, tour guide होगा.
Good morning.
तो वो लोग हमें समझाएंगे क्या होता है.
Pictures with them. They look so cute.
Taking pictures.
Actually, we are late right now.
हाँ, फिर भी हम लोग और भी लेट करा रहे हैं ऐसे. ये We're not sitting here, guys. So हम लोग तुझे को भी डालते हैं यार आजा आजा क्या भाग रहे हो मेरा भी आएगा लेके जाना चाहिए केस को हम लोग जा रहे गाइस मजा आएगा कहाँ जा रहे हैं एलिफेंट केस
घारापुरी
हाथी वाला केस
एलिफेंटा का घारापुरी के उसका
This is a jetty we're gonna ride, guys. Picture. Hey. We are inside, guys. Wow. Yeah, देखो.
It looks so nice.
बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा journey है, guys. We're still going. Look at the birds. They are still feeding, and the bird is still like coming along with us. One is just lost in his thoughts, I guess. Look at it. We have reached, guys. We have reached.
So we should do it, right?
Yeah, we should wait for it. We should wait for our team, right? Let's wait for a while. We have reached the dock, guys, and I think we might have to take another toy train from here. So this is the island, and inside there is the cave, the Elephanta cave. So I'm so excited. Look at Vaughn giving everyone one samosa each. I think we can. We're gonna ride this. Documenting everything. Like, I don't know. We're not writing it, I guess.
By the time it sets, we can only walk. Sunlight more.
Oh, you should have bought an umbrella.
अरे बोला था उन्होंने छाता लाने के लिए. I bought this hat. Oh, thank you. Guys, I got this hat for myself. We should go, we should go. This is where the toy train goes. This track. It's for the toy train. This hat is for only 100 rupees. I don't like this one. Oh my god. Guys, it's only 11:13 right now. And we're climbing up. बहुत बंदर है guys यहाँ पे. Like so many stones. And इधर पूरा दुकान का लाइन लगी हुई है guys. So we have reached, guys, finally at the Elephanta Cave. And it was a long journey, guys. The steep. We came all the way from down there. So it was very tiring. It was worth it, guys. Or sir.
I'm so scared.
Same habit, same habit.
This is what you do like here. This is India. The top view is very good. See? And look at Nilima scorching in the sun. Thank you. Reached. This is where the cave starts. Like this is the Elephanta cave. When we enter, it's like gonna be very dark. So I'm not sure कि आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. और अथर्वा भैया को देखो. नाम लिया था उसका.
सही नहीं बताया.
इनका नाम पता है? Von. Von. V-O-N-E.
How far? How long?
Long inside. Very long. हाँ स्टिकर जे वो थोड़ा थोड़ा तो थोड़ा भी लोग से स्टिकर जे माने याद रे बको नहीं माने याद रे स्टिकर हमारे पास गाइड ओके let's go these are my classmates and my seniors and this is inside a cave guys
I think this cave is so long.
it's long and big yeah this was built like around I forgot I'm okay let's go you can still make a video I'll show everyone it's not good it's not coming good
फर्स्ट करते हैं कि शिव और पार्वती माउंट कैलाश पे बैठ के गैदरिंग करते हैं गैदरिंग से लेके हम लोग और आजकल लूडो बोलते हैं वो सीन किया है यार अगर आप यहाँ पे शिवा का पोजीशन देखोगे उसको अर्ध पार्य काशना उसको सेपरेशन बोलते हैं और जहाँ पे जो पार्वती की बेटी है उस पोजीशन को बोलते हैं वाम ललित आसन ये दो पोजीशन है ये लोग क्या किया पूरा नीचे तक आते हैं और यहाँ पे शिव जी का थोड़ा सा यूजुअली ऐसा होता है कि जब शिव महायुद्ध स्टेटमेंट होती है इट इज ओनली द शिवा यू शुड बी सिटिंग हियर एंड नो अदर
I don't care
Atharvan all
I care, but I cannot.
Hi guys.
Stop.
We are tired.
Nilima Nilima is daydreaming I will eat only half we're having our sweet lunch guys I will eat this see I love this part you want half one yeah we should have more it's okay you can have it still
I will fry you. How does it taste?
so this is what the cave looks like and outside they're having something which I don't know what is water area here let me just go okay see you can see water here right and my friends are all sharing poha which I definitely don't like Guys, we are very, very tired. View, see guys, it's so pretty.
Yeah.
So pretty. You can stay. We really had a great time. Although it was very tiring and very sunny, we still managed to make the best of it. India से है? मतलब कुछ लोग इंडिया से है, कुछ बाहर से है। Deluxe तो बिल्कुल नहीं। That's why I was asking like if this is deluxe or not.
Take us.
We're going back guys. Finally मिल गया एक boat. So we'll meet you at the gateway of India. We're about to reach. So guys, we have reached like the gateway of India again, and now we'll be going back. So this is the hotel Taj, which I forgot to show you guys in my previous vlog, when I went here. And this is the gateway of India. So yeah, it's more like under construction. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful experience with me. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog today. So I will see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye. Take care. See you in my next vlog.